let us look into a trick that would help us to write the ninth table fastly. Along with that, we will also look into a way with which we can give the product of 9 with any number between 1 to 10 very quickly. Let us look into the table now. So when we multiply 9 with any number from 1 to 10, we will get 2 digits in the result at max. So 1 would be in the tens place and the other digit would be in the ones place. To write the table in the tens place, first we have to write from 0 to 9, incrementing in steps of 1 each time. So now let us write the tens digit of this result. So this is how we have to keep writing from 0 to 9. Once we are done with writing the tens place, let us look at the ones place. To write the ones place, we have to decrement by 1 starting from 9 to 0. So here to write the ones place, we will start with 9 and then we'll write down till 0. With this, we are done with writing the table. But if we have to give the result of 9 with any number in random, let us see how it works. To do that, first we have to concentrate on this 7 because here we are multiplying 9 with 7, so we will be concentrating on 7. To write the tens place of the answer, we have to subtract this 7 by 1 and we will put down the tens place here. It is 6. And to arrive at the ones place of the result, we have to subtract this 6 from 9 and we will write down the ones place of the result. So here it is 3. In this way, we can give the result very fastly. So let us look into another number. Here I have taken 9 by 7, but if we take 9 times 4, the first thing is we have to subtract 1 from this 4, that is 3. And then we have subtract the 3 that we have obtained in the tens place from 9 for the ones digit of the result, which is nothing but 6. In this way, we can give the result very quickly. But this is applicable only when the base is 10. Means if we have to multiply 9 with any number between 1 to 10, in only such a case we can apply this rule. To look into how we can extend this further, like when we have to give the result of 9 multiplied with any number above 10, say from any number between 11 to 20 or 21 to 30, how we have to do, we will look in our other video. Please subscribe to the channel to get the updates.